Today, we will build a workflow for AI-powered app market research. The workflow will take an app idea, find potential competitors in the market, analyze their App Store pages, and create an App Store optimized description for our idea. Let's dive right in. To start, we add our app idea as a prompt to our library. Imagine we're creating an app for tennis players to find hitting partners. We drag and drop it onto the canvas to kick off our workflow. We'll first ask ModularMind to generate 5 keywords that describe our app idea. This will set the stage for finding potential competitors. Then we will add another stack to instruct ModularMind to search generated keywords on the App Store and analyze competitors' descriptions and extract keywords they use. We explain ModularMind how to do a search on the App Store by sharing an example search link. If you visit this link, you'll find detailed information about the apps presented in organic search results within a text document. But we don't need to worry about understanding this data, since ModularMind will take care of extracting the information we want. We tell ModularMind to analyze the search results, read the descriptions of the apps, and extract the keywords our competitors use. Then we connect the first stack to share the keywords we want to be searched to find our competitors. ModularMind will know how to edit the example link to search about our keywords automatically. And even if some of our keyword searches yield unsatisfactory results, ModularMind will intelligently ignore them and continue the analysis with the data it found. Next, we create a stack to filter competitor keywords, selecting the ones that best align with our app idea. So, we create the stack by dragging our app idea prompt onto the canvas again. We connect previous stack to utilize the gathered keywords and choose the most suitable ones for our concept. Finally, we create a stack to generate an app description for our idea. We drag our app idea to the canvas one last time. Connect the previous stack's output that will bring the filtered keywords, and ask ModularMind to write an app description using all of the provided information. Let's pick GPT-4 Turbo model for this stack, since it excels in app description generation. GPT-4 Turbo also demonstrates strong capabilities in keyword generation, so let's pick this model for our first stack as well. Our workflow is now ready to go. Let's run each stack one by one and check the results. The initial stack produced highly effective keywords for our concept. Notice how second stack creates 5 search tasks for 5 keywords and executes them in parallel. It simultaneously processes the descriptions of a total of 15 apps from the search results. Within a few seconds, ModularMind extracts keywords from our top competitors' descriptions efficiently. Third stack quickly filters out the best 20 keywords among many. And the final step, the fourth stack, uses the selected keywords with the GPT-4 Turbo model to create a high-quality App Store description for our tennis app idea. In a matter of seconds, we've turned a basic app idea into a well-researched concept for the App Store. Now let's switch gears. Imagine we want to research a new idea, a social platform dedicated to website bookmarking, allowing users to share their bookmarks with followers. With the power of ModularMind, adapting our workflow is easy. We replace the initial app idea prompts with the prompt describing our new idea. We simply drag the prompt over the ones we want to replace. After this simple modification, the workflow is ready for market research on the website bookmarking platform. This time, let's hit Run Chain button for ModularMind to automatically complete all the tasks. And there we have it. In just a few simple steps, we transformed our ideas into well-researched concepts, whether it's for a tennis app or a website bookmarking platform. And one final note, we've created a template for this workflow, saving you the effort of building it from scratch. Visit the Chain Templates menu in ModularMind to swiftly delve into automating your AI-powered market research. Elevate your work and supercharge your creative process with ModularMind.